Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a very basic calculator using ChatGPT. So first of all, open your ChatGPT and write this command here. Make a calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript in a single file. Single file means I want HTML, CSS and JavaScript code in a single file. Then send this command here and wait until the ChatGPT generate a calculator code for you. Now I'm gonna copying this code from here and opening my index.html file here and pasting the code here. Make sure to save, and it's time to check the results. So I'm gonna opening index.html file, and here you can see a basic calculator has been created. Now let's make some calculation here. 8 plus 2 equal 10. So this is how we can make a basic calculator using ChatGPT. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching this video.